Tired of spending hours creating Pinterest pins one by one? Learn how to bulk create dozens of pins from a single CSV file in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to upload your CSV and let Pinterest do the heavy lifting. So, the first thing you need to do is open Pinterest in your browser. Just go ahead and log into your account like you normally would. Now, this next part is really straightforward. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. It's that little circle with your photo or your initials. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to select Settings. This is where Pinterest keeps all the behind-the-scenes configuration options for your account. And here's the important bit. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and click on Import Content. Pinterest has been quietly building out this feature, and it's incredibly powerful for creators who manage a lot of content. You'll now see a section labeled Bulk Create Pins. Underneath that, there's a button that says Upload. Click on that. Now, here's where you'll see the Upload CSV file section appear. This is the heart of the whole process. Pinterest gives you two ways to get your file in. You can click directly on the upload area to browse your computer, or you can literally drag and drop your CSV file right into that box. I usually just drag and drop because it feels faster, but either way works perfectly. So go ahead and navigate to wherever you have your CSV file saved on your computer. Select it, and then click Open. By the way, if you haven't created your CSV file yet, Pinterest has a sample template you can download to make sure you have all the right columns. It's totally worth grabbing that first to avoid any formatting headaches. All right, so you've selected your file. Now Pinterest will process it. This might take a moment, depending on how many pins you're creating. It could be anywhere from a few seconds to maybe a minute or so. Just be patient while Pinterest does its thing. You'll see a progress indicator, so you'll know it's working. Once Pinterest finishes processing, you'll see a preview of all your imported content. This is your chance to double-check everything. Scan through the titles, the descriptions, the images, and the destination links. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to. If something seems off, now is the time to fix it before you publish. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and confirm. Click that final button to complete the bulk creation process. Pinterest will then take all that data and turn it into individual pins for you. And that's it. You now have multiple pins created from a single CSV file. Instead of spending hours making each one manually, you've just turned a few minutes of preparation into dozens of ready-to-publish pins. Pinterest does all the heavy lifting once you give it the right information. Go ahead and give this a try with your next batch of content. You'll wonder why you didn't start doing this sooner.